Hi guys, myself Rakshita from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today we are going to discuss about the computer graphics and visualization, and the topic is computer graphics and application. Here are the list of computer graphic application. The total number of applications are graphs and charts, computer-aided design, virtual reality environment, data visualization, education and training, computer art, entertainment, image processing, graphical user interface. Let's see what is graphs and charts. An early application for computer graphic is the display of simple data graph, usually plotted on a character printer. Data plotting is still one of the most common graphics applications. Graphs and charts are commonly used to summarize functional statistical, mathematical, engineering, and economic data for research reports, managerial summaries, and other types of publications. Typically, example of data plots are line graph, bar charts, pie charts, surface graphs, contour plots, and other display showing relationships between multiple parameter in two-dimensional, three-dimensional, higher dimensional spaces. Here is the example for the bar graph, and it is below the bar graph. It is a three-dimensional structure. The next application is computer-aided design. A major use of computer graphic is in design processes, particularly for engineering and architectural systems. Basically, computer-aided design is also known as CAD, computer-aided design, or computer-aided drafting and design methods, known as CADD, are now routinely used in the automobiles, aircraft, spacecraft, computer, home appliances, circuits and networks for communications. Water supply or other utilities are constructed with repeated placement of a few geographical shapes. Animations are often used in CAD application. Real-time computer animations using wireframe shapes are useful for quickly testing the performance of a system. Here is the example for the CAD design, which will be useful for outline of the any structures. And other applications are virtual reality environment. Animations in virtual reality environments are often used to train heavy equipment operators or to analyze the effectiveness of various cabin configuration and control placements. With virtual reality system, designers and others can move about the and interact with objects in various ways. Architectural designs can be examined by taking simulated walk through the rooms or around the outsides of building to better appreciate the overall effect of a particular design. With a special glow, we can even grasp objects in a scene and turn them over or move them from one place to another. The other application is data visualization. Producing graphical representations for scientific, engineering, and medical data sets and process is another fairly new application of computer graphics, which is generally referred to as scientific visualization. And the term business visualization is used in connection with datasets related to commerce, industry, and other non-scientific areas. There are mainly different kinds of datasets, and effective visualization schemes depend on the characters of the data. A collection of data can contain scalar values, vectors, or higher order tensors. The next application is education and training. Computer generated models of physical, financial, political, social, economic, and other systems are often used as educational aids. Models of physical process, physiological functions, equipment such as the color coded diagram as shown in the figure can help trainees to understand the operation of a system. By this technology, we can get the idea of how the system works in an animation view. For some training applications, special hardware systems are designed. Example of such specialized systems are the simulators for practice sessions, aircraft pilots, air traffic control personnel. Some simulators have no video screens, for example, flight simulator with only a control panel for instrument flying. The other application is computer art. The picture is usually painted electronically on a graphics tablet using a stylus which can simulate different brush strokes, brush widths, and colors. Fine artists use a variety of other computer technologies to produce images. To create pictures, the artists use a combination of 3D modeling packages, texture mapping, drawing programs, and CAD software. It is based upon the CAD design, computer aided designs. Commercial art also uses these painting techniques for generating logos and other designs, page layouts, combining text and graphics, TV advertising, spots, and other applications. A common graphics method employed in many television commercials is morphing, where one object is transformed into another. As shown in the diagram, we can make n number of drawings with artists like realistic paintings or 3D diagrams. The next application is the entertainment. Television production, motion pictures, and music videos routinely a computer graphic methods. Sometimes graphic images are combined as live actors and scenes, and sometimes films are completely generated a computer rendering and animation techniques. Some television programs also use animation techniques to combine computer generated figures of people, animals, or cartoons characters with the actor in a scene or to transform an actor's face into another shape. By the use of this application, we can transform a person to animal or animal to any characters to make the animation film or cartoon films. The next and most important application of computer graphics is image processing. The modification or interpretation of existing pictures such as photographs and TV scans is called image processing. The image processing plays a very important role in the medical fields to diagnose the treatments. Methods used in computer graphics and image processing overlap; the two areas are connected with fundamentally different operations. Image processing methods are used to improve picture quality, analyze images, or recognize visual patterns for robotics applications. Image processing methods are often used in computer graphics, and computer graphic methods are frequently applied in the image processing. Medical applications also make extensive use of image processing techniques for picture enhancement in tomography, in simulations, and surgical operations. It is also used in computed X-ray tomography, CT scans, positional emission tomography, PET scans, and computed axial tomography (CAT scans). And the last application is the graphical user interface. It is common now for application software to provide graphical user interface. It is also known as GUI. A major component of graphical interface is a window manager that allows the user to display multiple rectangular screen areas called display windows. Each screen display area can contain a different process showing graphical or non-graphical information, and various methods can be used to activate a display window. Using an interactive pointing device such as mouse, we can activate display window on same systems by positioning the screen cursor within the window display area and pressing the left mouse button. Thank you.